Odu Ifa are signs in Ifa. The power of the Odu Ifa in daily life. The mystery of Odu Ifa. Imagine a young woman named Ododo standing at a crossroad in her life. She felt lost, unsure whether to pursue a passion for art or follow her family's expectations of a corporate career. Seeking clarity, she turned to Ifa. After a profound divination session, she received powerful insight that not only guided her decision, but also ignited her creative spirit. Today, Ododo is a successful artist, inspiring others through her work and the wisdom of Ifa. Odu Ifa, a cornerstone of Yoruba culture, is a rich tapestry of spiritual wisdom and guidance. Rooted in ancient traditions, it serves as a bridge between the physical and the spiritual realms. The system of Odu Ifa revolves around divination, a sacred practice that provides profound insight into our lives and the universe. Unveiling the power of Odu Ifa. At its core, Odu Ifa is based on the belief that every individual has a unique destiny. Divination process involves casting the Okwele, a divination chain, or using palm nuts to receive messages from the spiritual realm. Each configuration reveals a specific Odu, which is then interpreted by a qualified Ifa priest or priestess. The insights gained from Odu Ifa are vast and varied. They can illuminate aspects of our lives, offering guidance on relationships, career paths, health issues, and our ultimate life purpose. Through this divine communication, individuals can make informed decisions that align with their true selves. Navigating life's challenges with Odu Ifa. For instance, a man named Akomu faced a significant career setback. After consulting Ifa, he received insight that encouraged him to explore new opportunities he had never considered. Akomu found a fulfilling job that not only aligned with his skills, but also rekindled his passion for work. Testimonials like Akomu's illustrate the transformative power of Odu Ifa. The wisdom it offers promotes awareness, helping individuals recognize their strengths and weaknesses. This deeper understanding fosters personal growth and empowers people to navigate life's challenges with confidence. The spiritual dimensions of Odu Ifa. The connection between Odu Ifa and the spiritual realm is profound. It is believed that ancestral spirits guide the divination process, providing wisdom and support to individuals seeking clarity. This ancestral guidance emphasizes the importance of respecting the sacredness of Odu Ifa. Approaching it with reverence opens the door to deeper insights and a more meaningful connection with one's spiritual lineage, embracing Odu Ifa in daily life. Odu Ifa is a powerful sign for navigating the complexity of life. Its insights promote self-discovery, encourage personal growth, and provide guidance in times of uncertainty.
Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life.